This is the tale of a fat plumber's worst nightmare. And here we go, we're going to do this lovely curved radiator. Look at that curve on that. Woo! I had to bend that one, I had to jump on it to get it round that corner. No, I'm joking. I don't know where she got it from. Anyway, we're going to mark up the pipe works. We're going straight through the floor. And this is on the first floor. So, ground floor, sorry. So, I've got to get underneath and I've got to pipe that up. So I'll put a little bend on it, because if you're ever going to be putting it into a ceiling or anything like that, if you put a bend on it and then you can basically angle it to where you want it and you can connect onto it a bit easier. So, here we go. Let's go through the next.
Well, that one's a bit wider than that one.
This is going to be fun. Okay, where do I go now?
Left.
Straight ahead.
Through that one. Looks like it's going to be through there.
In which case... That's going to be way more cramped in there. Oh, this is miserable. Oh, there's another one. I don't